MeghalayaPost.news.
Habapan kuno ika 32nd state level inter-school karate tournament haka santarik unaitung arajara punriu ha multi-purpose indoor sports hall kasai STC nehu ka kenhun kisunrang na ka Sunrays secondary school lambar ki khana school kanthai jong ka Synod high secondary school kidai ki kenhun kibalayora ika nam Lahduh Haka tega tournament kabala penlong hadu laisngi ganti ki school ki belawan haka kerdan baar pan ki kentup ya ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School nagalyang ki khana shinrang pat ka Sacred Heart Girls High Secondary School nagalyang ki kenthai kalalong ru ka jingai min sim ya ka association haka bamenta usnam lawan shimenta hadu chispa ar pun riu tili ki school bat ki khana ki balai shimenta kilakot hadu praspa arngun kata laispa khnai puingut ki khana kenthai bat sauspa kharwingut ki khana shinrang kinong job ki balakhuri ka nam job hakini ki laisngi kenthi haka best karateka boys junior lara dudaron arwarjri Christian Academy High Secondary School, Best Karateka Boys Senior, Lara do Pusai Mi Kendia, Lum Perdi Yung Pia UP School Jawai, Best Karateka Girls Junior, Emati Karwansung, Storyland Secondary School, Best Karateka Girls Senior, Asenka Beril Marwen, St. Joseph High Secondary School. Yakani ke tournament lawan ban penha perdad Doba Ivan Benson Dingdo, Additional Superintendent of Police, East Kasiels District, Kumukongsan, Barba Alan Yangti, President West Jaintia District Karti Association Kumusembut Kongsan. Kumat penken yakni ke Lempung lawan ban play perdahan Doba John F. Kashiyeng, Co-Chairman Meghalaya State Planning Board, bar Working President Meghalaya State Olympic Association, bar rungkat ke Jingdon Lang General Secretary ke MSOA, uba finally El Parian kinongkit kam ke AMKA, kinongkai school ki kimi ki pam bat ki kena nang wanishim benta.
It brings me immense pleasure to see many Karachikas here today. This is testimony of how popular this sport is in our state, in Northeast, and in the country as a whole. To be honest with you, my first introduction to karate was through movies. Those days we had the Karate Kid, next Karate Kid. We had movie stars like Chuck Norris. We had movie stars like John Van Damme, and so on. And seeing again how the sport has grown, going a bit about how it started in Japan many years ago, and from Japan was introduced in America, other parts of the world, how it grew, and what it focuses. That is also very important. Karate, it focuses on discipline. It focuses on respecting your opponents. It focuses on being humble. It focuses on having compassion. These are traits of good athletes. Winning and losing is part and parcel of life. Winning and losing is part and parcel of any sport. And how you handle the wins, how you handle the losses, will say a lot about you as karatekas. My best wishes to all of you here. I am hoping to see many of you represent Meghalaya at the national level. In the future, I am hoping to see many of you represent the country at international levels in the future as well. All Meghalaya Karate Association. This tournament, as you can see, is a success, and this is only the start. My best wishes that it grows further, brings about more success, and contributes towards the growth of everyone. here.
MeghalayaPost.news.